Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today's recipe, we're gonna make Cajun pasta with shrimp and sausage. So let's get started. So I am going to go ahead and season my shrimp that I've peeled. I've removed all the shell and everything, so I'm seasoning it with Old Bay seasoning, Creole seafood seasoning, all-purpose chicken seasoning, some garlic powder, and some bitter orange juice. So gonna season it and set it aside, and we're gonna go ahead and prepare the other ingredients, which I did off camera because anybody got time for that. So give it a quick stir and let it set it aside, and let's go ahead and get started with the other stuff. So I am using this andouille, I don't know how to pronounce it, andouille sausage. It's Cajun style. So these are the cheese that I'm using. I'm using Gouda cheese. I love Gouda cheese. I'm using medium sharp cheddar cheese, and of course Parmigiano cheese. So I'm gonna go ahead and get my water ready to cook the pasta. So I salted my water lightly, not too much because the other stuff has a lot of sodium already. So once my water boiled, I'm gonna go ahead and pour my pasta in. Cook your pasta according to the box description. If you like it soft, then cook it a little bit longer. I cooked mine for 8 minutes, a little bit less actually. Mine was like al dente, not too overcooked, not too soft, not too hard. Anyways, okay, you know what I'm saying. But anyway, so I added my pasta to the boiling water to cook. Cook the pasta to your liking. I like my pasta to be al dente, so it's cooked, and then when you bite it, it's still firm. It's not overcooked. It's like perfect. I don't like mushy pasta. Some people like it a little bit softer than that. So if this is how you like it, so go ahead and do it like that. So while the pasta is cooking, we're gonna go ahead and start with the other stuff, the fun stuff. So for this recipe, I am using a lot of cheese. I love cheeses, you guys. If I'm eating pasta with cheese, it's gotta be a lot of cheese in there. It's gotta be a lot of cheese and a lot of garlic. I love garlic. Put a lot of garlic in there. If you can't find this Cajun seasoning, which you will find, you can make your own Cajun seasoning. It's super simple. So I am using heavy cream, sour cream. I'm using this chicken bouillon. It's low sodium. I'm using honey mustard, freshly ground black pepper, and a little bit of pepper flakes just for garnishing. So we're gonna go ahead and add about 2 teaspoons of oil to the hot pot, and then gonna cook the shrimp for 1.5 minutes. Not much, since the shrimp are like small, so 1.5 minutes. Just give it a quick stir. Don't let it overcook because you don't want it to be rubbery. So just 1.5 minutes, and then we're gonna remove it from the pot and do the other stuff. So after you remove the shrimp, you're gonna add about 2 teaspoons of oil, not too much, because the sausage is already very fattening and all that stuff. So we're gonna go ahead and fry the oil, sauteed the sausages for about 3 to 5 minutes until they're brown. If you don't like it to be brown, I like it to have that little brown color, that little crunch around the corner. Well, it's not really crunchy, but you know what I'm saying, the brown around it. So if you want it to be brown, leave it for 3 to 5 minutes. If not, you don't have to do that. Just 1 minute is fine. So I added about 4 tablespoons of butter. It's probably more because I like fat. And then I'm gonna add my garlic. Feel free to add extra garlic because I love garlic. Oh my god, I cannot stress this enough. I love garlic. Oh Lord. Anyways, so after we've added the garlic, we're gonna go ahead and add the onion, the bell peppers, and we're gonna let them cook for about 5 minutes. I'm using onion, bell peppers, red and yellow, and shallots. So we're gonna cook it for 5 minutes. Like I said, all of this is being done on medium low heat. We don't want too much, we don't want the heat to be too high because we don't want to burn the butter. Okay, make sure the heat is on medium low. So now we're gonna go ahead and add the heavy cream. I'm adding 2 cups. You feel free to add 1.5 cups if you don't want it to be too creamy, which I'm not gonna judge you, but it should be very creamy and cheesy. So now I'm gonna add a teaspoon of that chicken bouillon seasoning. I got this one, it's low sodium and it does not contain MSG, which is awesome. I am also adding the Cajun seasoning. Like I said, if you cannot find that one at the store that's already prepared, already mixed, obviously, just mixed, honestly, you can just make your own Cajun spice. It's very easy to make. It's paprika, black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, blah blah blah, bunch of crazy stuff. Anyways, it's super easy to make. But I got that one, it's so much easier, honestly. And I'm adding my thyme. I'm removing them from the stem. I used 3 sprigs of fresh thyme. So now I'm gonna go ahead and add the cheese. Wow, add cheese, you guys. Don't be scared with the cheese. Add cheese. Put a lot of cheese in there. So I lowered my heat on low at this point because I want the cheese to melt slowly. This is my little secret, okay? Don't tell anybody. I added 2 tablespoons of honey mustard. Oh my goodness, I love honey mustard. For some reason, it just makes it taste so amazing. I don't know how to explain it. Anyways, I added some black pepper and give it a stir. Once my cheese is melted, ooh, look at that. I'm gonna go ahead and add the pasta to the heaven in the pot. Wow, this is so beautiful, you guys. Like, I can't deal. Anyways, I'm gonna give it a stir, make sure everything is evenly coated. Oh wow, this is beautiful. So now I'm gonna add the sour cream. And if you are enjoying this video so far, if you think I'm doing a great job, which I am, please hit the subscribe button and also give this video a thumbs up. Thank you in advance. So I added 2 tablespoons of sour cream. I'm using the sour cream that's made with whole milk. We don't do low fat in this house. We don't do low fat. We don't do fat free. We don't do that. We do everything with 100% fat, okay? This is what we do here. Anyways, give it a stir. Wow. It is so delicious, you guys. Wow. So now I'm gonna add the shrimp. Once I add the shrimp, I'm gonna let it cook for about 3 to 5 minutes because you don't want the shrimp to be overcooked. You know, like I said before, the texture is gonna be so much different and you're not gonna like it. So after that, I add the shrimp. I let it cook for 3 to 5 minutes, and then the pasta is ready to be served. I served this pasta with sweet chili grilled salmon. If you guys give this recipe a try, please let me know in the comments below. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Also subscribe for more to come. And as always, thank you for watching. I will see you very soon in the next video. I hope you guys enjoy this dish because I sure did. Thank you for watching.